Are your shoes always cluttered at the door? Looking for a quick, no-fuss way to organize them? Well, this is exactly what you need. With just one MDF board, a few screws, and a drill, you can build a sleek, compact shoe rack that looks like it came from the store. If you're tired of the mess and want a quick fix, watch till the end. There's something special waiting for you. I'm the kind of person who always had a pile of shoes by the door. One day, I looked at the mess and said, that's it. I'm building something. The rat I'm about to show you is the one I built. It's affordable, simple, and fast. Just follow along, step by step. If you've got the tools and the motivation, build it today. It takes less than an hour. And if you've been waiting for a sign to start working with wood, this is it. This shoe rack is more than just storage. It's your first real project.